the Lord is to us. That in a world of suffering, hope came down for us.
Then allow the Lord to minister to you, experience what He wants you to experience today. And then see you again now in your respective place where you are attending. God bless you. Alright. Keep something God's Amen.
So we're singing, we're dancing, we're filling this space with all of our praises. The Lord's in this place. We're singing, we're dancing, we're filling this space with all of our praises. The Lord's in this place. Let's sing His goodness. The Lord's in this place. Have you seen how
Inaalaw niya yan kasi meron siyang gustong ituro sa atin. And ang gusto sana ni Lord, pakinggan natin yung boses niya doon sa mga pagkakamali na gawa natin. And lalo tayong lumapit sa atin.
you are pictured, and every piece seems to fall into place. You're the moment when I know that I will never be the same. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind.
Pinipili ka kahit ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung ano man yung ginawa mo noon, yung ginagawa mo ngayon, at yung gagawin mo bukas. Alam na yung pagmamahal na yun.
Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have. Have you seen how good? 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 Have you seen how good the Lord is to us? Have you seen how good? 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 Have you seen how good the Lord is to us?
God is love. Lahat ng hawakan niya, lahat ng puntahan niya, hindi kinis yung ulo ng pagmamahal.